Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Study. I am Anirudh Mandal. Today we are going to discuss a new topic that is in your slide, and I think you have already understood, that is narration change. We are going to discuss on this topic, that is narration change. I have already uploaded a complete series of voice change in my channel, and you can search and watch those videos. I will give the link in my description box. For a long time, I have not uploaded any videos due to my bad throat and poor health condition. So today we are going to discuss on narration change, and we have to understand what is narration. So narration means a kind of statement, এক ধরনের বিবৃতি. Narration is the noun form of the verb narrate, and to narrate means to state or say something. অর্থাৎ কোনো কিছু বিবৃতি করা বা বর্ণনা করা, তাই narration. Let's come to the next slide. So narration has two parts, that is direct speech and another is indirect speech. What do you mean by direct speech? If we say in Bengali, the direct speech means প্রত্যক্ষ উক্তি, and indirect speech means পরোক্ষ উক্তি. পরোক্ষ উক্তি and প্রত্যক্ষ উক্তি. Direct speech and indirect speech. What is the difference between these two? Let's come to our next slide, where I have already discussed about direct speech. So direct speech, when the speaker's words are exactly quoted or an audience uses or expresses the statement of a speaker in the words or language of the speaker, it is called direct speech. So ডাইরেক্ট স্পিচ বা প্রত্যক্ষ উক্তি কাকে বলে? যখন বক্তার কথাগুলি এক্স্যাক্টলি কোট করা হয়, হুবহু যখন বক্তার কথা তুলে ধরা হয়, তখন সেটি ডাইরেক্ট স্পিচ হয়। অর্থাৎ বক্তার কথাগুলিকে ইনভার্টেড কমার ভিতরে বলা হয়। বক্তা, স্পিকার, হিয়ার স্পিকার মিন্স বক্তা। সো স্পিকার যে কথাগুলি বলছে তার হুবহু নকল করা হয়, হুবহু যখন তুলে দেওয়া হয়, তখন সেগুলিকে বলা হয় ডাইরেক্ট স্পিচ। অর্থাৎ যখন কেউ এক্সপ্রেস করে দ্য স্টেটমেন্ট অফ এ স্পিকার, অর্থাৎ বক্তার কথাগুলিকে কেউ বলে ইন দ্য ওয়ার্ডস অর ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ অফ দ্য স্পিকার, যখন বক্তার মতোই সেই কথাগুলিকে ইউজ করা হয়, বক্তার যা কথা আছে, স্পিকারের যা কথা, সেগুলিকে এক্স্যাক্টলি তুলে ধরা হয়, সেটি ডাইরেক্ট স্পিচ। In direct speech, the speaker's words or statement are used inside the inverted commas, অর্থাৎ বক্তা যা কথা বলে সেগুলিকে ইনভার্ট কমার ভিতরে রাখা হয়, যা বক্তার স্টেটমেন্ট সেটিকে ইনভার্ট কমার ভিতরে রাখা হয়। হিয়ার ইজ অ্যান এক্সাম্পল ফর ইউ। রানা সেড আই এম বিজি। সো দিস ইজ the statement of this speaker. Here Rana is the speaker of this quotation. And said is the verb here. It is called reporting verb. It is known as reporting verb. Said is known as reporting verb. And Rana said it is reporting speech. and I am busy here is reported speech. So come to the next slide, and here we see indirect speech. What do you mean by indirect speech? বা পরোক্ষ উক্তি in Bengali. When someone or an audience expresses the statement of a speaker in his or her own words or language, it is called indirect speech. That is, the speaker's exact quotation or statement is used here in the user's or someone's own style or language. অর্থাৎ এখানে কি হয়, এখানে বক্তা যে কথাগুলি বক্তা সরাসরি বলেছিল, ডাইরেক্ট স্পিচে যে কথা বক্তা সরাসরি বলে, ইনডাইরেক্ট স্পিচে তার কথাগুলিকে কি করা হয়, অন্য কোনো পার্সন বা অন্য কোনো পার্সন বা অন্য যে ইউজ করছে তার কথাগুলিকে, সেগুলিকে সে তার নিজের মতো করে ইউজ করে। বক্তার কথাগুলিকে যখন অন্য কেউ নিজের মতো করে ইউজ করছে, তখন সেগুলিকে বলা হচ্ছে ইনডাইরেক্ট স্পিচ। অর্থাৎ that is, in the first example we have already seen that Rana said, I am busy. There was an example, Rana said, I am busy. I am busy. Rana said, I am busy. So, what will be the indirect narration of this sentence? The indirect narration of this sentence, Rana said that he was busy. That is, Rana's quotation, Rana's statement is used by someone, and that person is using in his or her own way. That's why here the pronoun he has come. And here that is the linking word. So this is the example of indirect speech. পরোক্ষ উক্তি. Here the verb is said is the reporting verb, and the verb is in the past tense, so that's why here it will be in the past tense. There was am in the direct speech, and it has changed into was according to this verb, that is according to the reporting verb, that is said. There are two parts of direct speech, that is reporting speech and reported speech. What is reporting speech? I have already said you the reporting speech, that is, I can, let me tell you by through an example. He said, I am ill. He said, I am ill. Here he said is the reporting speech, and I am ill is the reported speech. So, and said is the reporting verb by which the speaker do this function, do this activity, that is, I am ill. It is reported by the verb said. So this is reporting verb, reported speech, and that's all. So reported speech, the part of the direct speech which is inside the inverted commas. Reported speech is always used inside the inverted commas. The reporting verb may be used at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the sentence. So reporting verb may be used at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end of a sentence. Let's see the example here. I have mentioned some example for your understanding, better understanding. Anirudh said to Rana, I am watching a horror movie now. So, this is an example of direct speech, and here the reporting verb has been used in the beginning of the sentence. Said is the reporting verb here, and it has used at the starting of the sentence. So, and come to the next example. Let's come and do some fun, Mr. Mondal said. So, here the reporting verb, as you have seen, here the reporting verb has been used at the last or end portion of the sentence. And in the next example, the reporting verb has been used here at the middle of the sentence. That is, the example is, you guys are always special to me. You guys are always special to me, John said to his workers. So I don't leave you. So here John said is the reporting verb and has been used at the middle of this sentence. So reporting verb can be used at the beginning or middle or at the end of a sentence of a direct speech. So this is the end of today's topic, and we will continue this series. So if you really like my video and the way of my teaching, then please do subscribe it, hit the like button, press the bell icon to get further notification, and provide this I will provide this PDF in my Telegram channel. I will provide it in my Telegram channel, that is, and you can search the Telegram challenge, and you can search the Telegram channel in this name. Let's study. That is my YouTube channel also. So here, so next day I will discuss